Online learning, free courses.
Okay guys, so before we dive into the meat and potatoes of this course, which is, actually getting hands-on and going into the gigs and how to create a good gig and all of that stuff, before we get into that, I'm just going to quickly show you how you can get paid out through Fiverr. So let's go here, let's go to earnings. Oh, nope. I need to take you to the account first. So let's go here. Let's go to OD Strategies. That's my account. And wait for it to load everything. Oh, I guess I apologize. I'm taking you to the wrong section here. Settings. We want to go to settings. So inside settings, when you're doing this for the first time, because you're only going to have to do it once, and then whenever you have money that's ready to be cashed out, it'll appear over here or over here somewhere, and it's very easy to see. It's really nice. It's in a green bar, and then you're going to see the cash amount. But before we go into that, how to withdraw, let's talk about how to get your things set up here. Here we go. So inside billing, there's going to be, when you're first setting this up, you can only set one payout method. So you can't do multiple. And unfortunately, I do talk about this more later on in the course, but every payout method does come with some fees. They're not anything astronomical. For example, PayPal is only up to $1, I think $1.50. Or no, credit cards are $1.50. PayPal's $1. So it just depends on what method do you want to use, what method you use most often. You can also do bank transfer, but that does still incur fees as well. So everywhere you go, you're gonna get charged some fees, probably just a couple of dollars. So I chose PayPal just for ease of use for myself. You're going to add your PayPal email if that's what you choose to do. They also allow you to do a Fiverr revenue card, which is serviced through MasterCard, and there's also fees for that as well. I'm not exactly sure what that is. I think they do it based on percentage, so depending on how much you're withdrawing. But there is a way to find that, and you would just go, actually, no, I have that in a separate place. I'm going to include that in the downloadable resources in this section. So go ahead and download that, and you can see what each of the payout scales are, or I'm not, sorry, not payout scales, but the fees that are incurred for each of the revenue cards. But most of you will probably either do PayPal but most of you will either do PayPal or a bank transfer. So that is how to get paid out through Fiverr. Once a payment, like once you have money that's ready to be taken out, then you'll simply go up here over to earnings. And then here is where you'll be able to withdraw. Oh, so maybe you can switch these after a period of time. But anyways, the main thing that I wanted to tell you is that once you have money that's able to be cashed out, this button for me will light up. So it'll be blue. I'll be able to press it. And then obviously you see that this says withdraw. So I would just be able to click that. And then what's going to happen is they're going to send me an email. And then inside of my email, I'm just going to click on that link, and the payment will, or not the payment, but the money will be withdrawn. So that withdrawal will be initiated. And then once a withdrawal is initiated, you cannot undo it. So, make sure that you get all that info set up correctly and that you have everything set up right so that that's not going to the wrong PayPal or the wrong bank or whatever. So once that's set up one time, that's done. But the withdrawals you have to do whenever you have money that's available to be withdrawn. It's just something that Fiverr does. It's a double initiation type of thing, but it's very easy. Just one click here and then one click inside the email and the money will be there. So that's it. That is getting paid out through Fiverr. Very simple, very easy, and another wonderful reason to use Fiverr.